Generating content quickly has never been easier, especially for email marketing campaigns. But how do you get AI to develop the right content for you? Not to mention safe and reliable content.
According to a 2023 HubSpot article, 38% of marketers use AI for email writing. And hey, do you? Let us know in the comments. And we'll explore how they are doing this and more in this lesson from our course, AI and Email Marketing.
There are so many generative AI models, but did you know there's a difference in how chatbots are built, that they can affect the type of content you actually receive?
That's right. ChatGPT is known for generating natural sounding responses, which is making it an excellent option for tasks like customer support or chat-based interactions. Google Gemini is designed to produce creative and engaging content. And the system is trained on a large data set of poetry and prose, allowing it to generate poetic, humorous, or even emotionally evocative responses. Microsoft Copilot, on the other hand, is designed to produce more concise and specific responses, making it a nice option for tasks requiring high accuracy or specificity like question answering or fact checking.
So, pick a bot based on your needs. Got it, okay. But all of us need to remember that any chatbot or AI model can produce inaccurate or unintended results. Make sure you check your work for any claims, statistics, or facts that AI generates.
Yeah, and with that in mind, let's explore the types of content you can generate for email marketing and some helpful prompts for your chatbot. Naturally, you'll turn to AI to assist with email copy. I know I do. Yet you can leverage a large language learning model in many ways, from giving the best email length based on a campaign's desired result to asking it to include a call to action. This way, your email generates the intended outcome.
You can use it for idea generation and brainstorming. Ask it to generate new ideas and combine existing concepts while showing examples from other creators you want to use for inspiration. It can even reverse engineer popular content.
That's so cool. And while AI can write engaging email content, ask it to use SEO keywords that help your business rank online so you can repurpose the content in other places. I do this all the time with YouTube. And also consider asking it to include localization, target audience, and the tone and voice of your brand.
And use whatever AI generates as a first draft. Then add the human touch. Always add the human touch to make it truly unique. Now, once you do that, you can run it through AI again for editing and proofreading. Have it check for grammar and spelling, simplify sentences, ensure consistency, and suggest revisions and additions.
Absolutely, it doesn't end there. Finally, ask AI to provide email design ideas, generate graphics, and suggest an appropriate color scheme and typography.
Now, let's take the time to dial in to generate that actual email copy. When you prompt AI, you want to ensure a few things are considered: that you're focused on an interesting topic, include a compelling subject line, and have keyword-rich paragraphs and appropriate calls to action. Let's look at some prompts that can help you achieve this. To find an interesting idea, use AI as a brainstorming buddy. So we're gonna use this prompt. In this prompt, we're gonna say, act as a creative brainstorming buddy. Let's find some ideas for emails for my email marketing campaigns about dog care. My audience is new dog owners who want to give their pups a very happy life. My tone is friendly and also relatable. Our products include dog shampoo and dog grooming tools. Generate interesting and unique email ideas for an email campaign during the summer months, answering specific questions a dog owner might have.
Next, look for that compelling subject line. What's gonna get folks to open that email? And bonus points if you can personalize it. A subject line is your audience's first greeting and the point at which they decide to open an email or not. In a 2022 survey by Finances Online, 64% of email recipients open or delete an email based on the subject line. So run subject lines and preview text through AI. Give them the background of your audience and ask if it's engaging and if there are ways you can improve to increase the number of opens. So here's a prompt. In a moment, I will paste the content of an email. Acting as an email marketer, Generate 10 subject lines and preview text that will give a sense of FOMO and spark urgency, inspiring my target audience of millennials to open and read the email. How specific is that?
I mean, that's very specific. Okay. And we also want to avoid spammy content. Use AI to double check that your information does not come off spammy or would be marked as spam.
Yeah, and when using AI to write emails, refer to the previous lesson's email marketing strategy prompts. Check it out there. And for example, if the chatbot suggests a campaign that starts with an email about who you are, followed by a customer story, and then a big sale announcement, use those each as its own prompt for the first draft of an email.
Whenever you prompt for text, make sure you use a chatbot you've already been interacting with and know your business and your audience. Otherwise, you're pretty much gonna have to reset the stage.
Yeah.
To generate the best results, the AI chatbot needs to understand your business, what you're developing content for, and how it needs to respond like an expert in a particular field.
Guess what time it is? Time for another prompt.
Yep.
All right, so here's a prompt that includes a way to ask for a solid call to action. Act as an expert email writer. Write an email about our new product launch. Write a brief email that is engaging and informative. The email needs to captivate subscribers with a call to action that will get high click-through rate, CTR, and use the business's brand, voice, and tone. Before you start with this task, ask me a few questions about the product launch so you can provide the best results possible. I love that there's like an interaction.
I know, I love that. It's great. It's working for you. And when prompting for copy, you may also need to specify for the chatbot to write with keyword-rich paragraphs. For example, another prompt, here we go.
Here we go.
Yes. Act as an inspiring storyteller. Draft an email about a before and after story that illuminates the benefits of our product.
Love.
Detail one of our customers' journeys, emphasizing the challenges they faced before using our product, how they implemented it, and the transformation they've experienced since. This story should evoke emotion, deepen audience engagement, and validate product's effectiveness in a real-world context. Before you start with this task, ask me questions about one of our customers' experiences so you can provide the best results possible.
Yeah, I feel like this is giving me life advice.
Right?
Like
Exactly.
I need to be more concise and specific. Okay. Writing these prompts can become really easy, and leveraging the AI to ask you questions so you can focus on what you want to achieve. And it can ask questions and save you from wondering what information to feed it.
The resource download for this lesson includes all these and the prompts from the previous lesson. You can even use the prompt template to write your own prompts. The link to download this resource is in the description below this video.
And remember that not all ideas generated by an AI chatbot will be great, but there should be at least some that make sense to further workshop with AI to improve.
Chatbots are a great tool, especially for strategy and content generation, but there are many other tools that are specific for email marketing. Let's explore these and more in the next lesson. Email marketing automation and AI tools.